In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share your Wi-Fi password from an iPhone 14. If you don't see the Share Password pop up, you can still view your saved Wi-Fi password and share it manually. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to, then tap the Info button next to it. On the Network Details screen, tap Password. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to reveal the saved Wi-Fi password. Once the password is visible, you can copy it or manually share it with the other person so they can connect to the same Wi-Fi network. If the automatic Share Password option doesn't appear on your iPhone, this method lets you access and share your Wi-Fi password quickly. That's it! Now you know how to view and share a Wi-Fi password on your iPhone 14. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.